Let us create these two lists of numbers. We need the numeric sliders, we need the series, and we need the domain. So let us create the assignment. First, under sets, drag and drop a series. Start at 0. The step, let us set it to 0. The default will be 45. And the last number, 90. How many? 9 numbers. If we get a panel from params, we can print out the output of the series. Let me change the font. And there you see the list of angles. Now we can go to Math, Trigonometrics, and there you find how to translate from degrees to radians. Drag and drop one of these, and let me copy paste the panel so that we all can see the result. Let me stretch the panel, and there you see the second column of the assignment. Let us do it in a different way. Let us drag and drop a range. The range needs a domain. And the domain is going to be from 0 to 360, or from 0 to 2 pi, because we want to find the list of radians. So multiply pi by 2 and connect it to the end of the domain. Do not forget, if the domain starts at 0, you do not need to connect a domain component. You can avoid this. So you can connect directly 2 pi to the range. And the domain will be from 0 to 2 pi. How many? 8 values, 8, because the range is always going to give us one more value. And there you see it, we got the same result.